Okay, now this question we are actually looking at PQ1 part 5. So quick recap again that in the PQ earlier videos we have already found the modulus and argument of Z. So I'm quickly going to write it here that the mod of Z is equals to, I'm just going to quickly write it here. Okay, and from here we need to find the modulus of Z squared W power 3. Right, so first we are going to look at the find again the two friends. We need to find the modulus and we need to find the argument. So modulus of Z power 2 W power 3. Okay, we can say that this is the same as Z square W3. Remember, the modulus of the product is the same as the product of the modulus. Okay, again we can spread it out again, take it out of the power 2 and power 3. And what is the Z square? Z square is none other than the mod of Z square. Remember that the modulus of Z is 2, so it's just 2 square. The modulus of W, is 4 square root 2. Right, so this is just a 4 square root 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and the answer comes out to be 512 square root 2. Okay, so work it out by yourself. This is the modulus. And next up, we have to look at the argument. So what is the argument of Z power 2 W3? Remember I told you that the argument of a product is the same as the sum of the argument. So we can say that this is the argument of Z squared plus the argument of W3 power 3, right? Okay, again, what is the argument of Z to the power of 2? Okay, if you read your notes, you know that it's just 2 argument of Z, right? And argument of W power 3 is the same as 3 argument of W. Okay, and from here we just need to plug in the argument of Z and W as we have found earlier, which is just 2 times of 5 pi over 6 plus 3 times of pi over 4. Okay, and the final answer gives us to be 29 pi over 12. 29 pi over 12, again, you can see that this is not within the principal range, so this number is too big. What do we do to do it? Remember I told you, if the number is too big, we may need to minus multiples of 2 pi. If the number is too small, we need to add multiples of 2 pi, such that the argument lies in the principal range that's less than or equals to pi, more than negative pi. Right, so remember we need this, need to be, remember argument of Z must be less than or equals to pi and more than negative pi. Alright, so this Z is just in general the formula, doesn't refer to this Z. Okay, so subtracting negative 2 pi. Alright, so we can say that this is the same as 29 pi over 12 minus 2 pi. Alright, and it's just equals to 5 pi over 12. Okay, so this is the argument of PQ1 part 5. We have the modulus, we have the argument. Okay, are we ready to put it in the polar form? Yes, we are. So Z2 W3 R cos theta plus I sin theta. So our R is 512. Alright, our cos theta is 5 pi over 12 plus I sin 5 pi over 12, and this is PQ1 part 5. I think the answer in polar form. Okay, recall the strategy again. We need to find the modulus, we need to find the argument. Okay, always make sure the argument is in the principal range. Okay, make sure that this is a plus, okay, not a minus. Okay, and make sure that your R has to be positive. Okay.